there.
Hi. How's it going? We're Astro M.A.R.S, which stands for Modular Advanced Robotic System.
The operator just sent me an alert. A seed in the habitat has started sprouting. Let's check it out. Wow, take a look at that. They've grown so well.
Hey, Daisy.
Good morning, Alex. Humans were meant to live among nature. Alex feels so relaxed whenever he's taking care of plants. Did you know that every habitat has more than 180 sensors? They're great for monitoring the growth and providing essentials for plants. With Astro M.A.R.S assistance, we can help make changes. In order to save astronauts time, we work with Mieki in the habitat. She is the ground controller on Earth, who manages the Lunar Gateway and habitat.
The astronauts leave to Earth, leaving Astro M.A.R.S alone to take over the main agricultural task.
Astro M.A.R.S helps automate the gateway and run experiments. Experimental plants need extra care, but they're capable of doing so much. They can replicate complex natural processes such as pollination, taking leaf samples, seeding, and transplanting.
Mieki, you forgot that I'm a master at trimming and harvesting too.
Here is the secret to our magic gripper. It may look too small to be a gripper. However, it's nimble enough to weave its way through the plant jungle and reach its way to its target.
Ta-da! Look, here's a tomato.
6 months later, the Astro M.A.R.S are growing fresh vegetables for making salads to welcome the astronauts back.
I also heard that we will go on a new adventure soon, maybe to the moon or Mars.